Hi guys, so today we're going to learn how to pair the Moto A1 Plus and Moto A1 Plus intercom together. So if you have a Moto A1 and Moto A1 Plus, that's another way of pairing and we will teach you in another video. Okay, so before we start, we have to choose which one is the master unit and which one is the slave unit. So for this video, the master unit is the one on the left and it is usually the primary rider. And the slave unit is the one on the right, which is usually for the pillion. Firstly, you have to connect both modules to each individual phone. To do so, you press and hold the multifunction button for 5 seconds. And you should see that it starts to blink red and blue, and you can let go. After that, you can press scan on your phone and scan for the module. You should see ID 221 Moto A1 Plus. Click on that to pair with the module. When the module successfully paired with the phone, it will stop blinking red and blue and it will just blink in blue slowly. So you just do the same for the slave unit. Now you can see that both the module is successfully connected to both the phone. And you have to turn off the module by holding the multifunction button for 5 seconds until the light goes off. The next step we have to do is to pair both the module together. So for the master unit, you push the joystick up and press and hold the multifunction button for 5 seconds until you see the light blinking red and blue. For the slave unit, you have to push the joystick button down and press and hold the multifunction button for 5 seconds until it starts to blink red and blue. Keep them close together and they will pair with each other. After they successfully pair with each other, both the module will blink in blue slowly. Turn both the module off by holding the multifunction button for 5 seconds. After the two modules are paired together, they will always remember each other, so you only have to do this for one time. Next, I'm going to teach you how to use the intercom function. So firstly, you have to turn on the slave unit by holding the MFB button for 3 seconds. And next, you have to turn on the master unit. So for the master unit, it's a bit special. You have to push the joystick up and press the MFB button for 5 seconds. When the modules are successfully connected to each other, they should start blinking in blue slowly. Next, I'm going to teach you how to exit the intercom or return back to the intercom. For the master unit, you have to push the joystick up for 2 seconds. You will hear. For the slave unit, instead of pushing up the joystick, you push down the joystick for 2 seconds. You will also hear a